I'll be honest, I don't even think I want to make this video. Oh, hey. Well, today's going to be one of the videos of all time, and I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. I might lose subscribers just for making this video. But without further ado, let's talk about what you get when you combine reliability and cost efficiency and turn it into what some would call the real blue collar gun. Today's subject, I uh I hit the slide release and it didn't do that. Yeah, today we're going to do a history breakdown on High Point Firearms. And yeah, let's get into it. So, our story starts in January 2nd of 1990 in Mansfield, Ohio, where a guy by the name of Tom Deeb, yep, who knows, maybe he's a good guy. Anyway, in 1990, Tom Deeb set out on the mission to provide the firearms world with what he called the true blue collar gun. So he wanted something that was reliable and cost efficient and something that your everyday Joe Blow that coming home from the factories or the farms or the shops could carry as a self-defense weapon. And he made a weapon. I honestly feel like this counts as more melee damage than anything. But yeah, he's the founder of High Point. Now, Tom Deeb has always been interested in firearms, according to him, since, well, forever. And one of his first guns was actually a Ruger Bearcat. He loved it, it was cost efficient, it was reliable, and he was also a fan of your typical high standard guns. And as he said, he could afford the lower end ones. They were a true working man's gun, and that was the mission that he set out to create was another working man's gun that was more affordable and in all honesty, I think we can all relate a little bit more attainable than your higher end guns like your FNs or your newer Rugers or staccato. Honestly, I think would be the polar opposite of this gun. Now, this guy here. Whoa. Hey, is that one of the guns from Call of Duty? Can I hold it? The fuck? No, it's not one of the. How do you keep getting in my house? Uh, well, I'll be honest. The front door was unlocked, so anyway, can I hold it? Like, I want to. Dude, the front door was locked. What the fuck? Yeah, here, but be careful. It's kind of heavy. Yeah. Oh my
Ooh.
God, my foot. Oh. Yeah, yeah, he's gonna need stitches. Anyway, Tom Deeb set out on this mission to create the working man's gun, and he did. So the two main types of platforms that High Point is known for making are your typical handguns, and they're also known for making carbines. Now, all of their offerings up until I would say late 2024 were only available in pistol caliber. So you had 380, 9 mil, 40, 45, and even 10 mil. I don't know if I would trust that in a 10 mil, but still, it was a fairly simple lineup of guns that they were offering. And I will say this, the High Point carbine, it's got a charm to it, I guess. I'll buy one. I'll be honest, I bought this one for 50 bucks and it still had serial numbers on it, so I'm sure it's okay. But anyway, God, I can't. I hate this video. I hate it so much. What am I doing? Yeah, I know. Is your toe okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Looks kind of broke. It just looks like that sometimes. Okay. All right. Right on. I don't know how that dude keeps coming here, but I mean, it's better than talking to myself into a camera. So, anyway, so notice I said up until about 2024. Well, that's when High Point decided to announce, and I believe it was at SHOT Show, This guy. That's right. High Point's making ARs now, and they are chambered in 223, 556, and even a 300 blackout variant. Now, I'll be honest, if somebody wants to sponsor me one, I'll shoot it, I'll film it. Uh, I'm not signing a waiver, but I'd like to test it out. All in all, I mean, this is going to be a pretty short video, but I just kind of wanted to touch base on a brand that I don't see many videos about. And let's be honest, every gun guy at some point has owned one of these, whether it's for, like me, the novelty of it, or maybe it was your first gun. Maybe you couldn't afford a high dollar SIG or an FN as your first gun. This was definitely more affordable. So, in closing, I will say that High Point does seem to be a fairly reliable brand. Now, I say that loosely, as the slide release didn't do the thing that's in the name by releasing the slide. I wonder if I broke it. Did I break it? Oh, yeah. Little High Point ASMR for you boys. And girl, I saw the demographic. We do have at least one female here, so please don't leave. So let's try the slide release one more time. Oh, yeah, no, I think I broke my High Point. Um, take the mag out, maybe? Why doesn't this? Good God. So, anyways, yeah, that's the brief history of High Point Firearms, and that scares me. But yeah, if you like what you see in this video or any of our other videos, make sure to go hit that like and subscribe. Leave a comment on what you think about High Point. Put it in a tier scale for me. And if you have a Gucci'd out High Point, go ahead and send me a picture through our Instagram at Sure Shot Reviews. And yeah, make sure to hit that notification bell. If you subscribe, I'll love you forever. Something your dad never said. Yeah, anyway, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. And also comment another gun that you want to see a history video done on. I mean, I'm open to suggestions. And let's be honest, the weirder, the more I'm probably going to like it. That sounds really bad. Oh, man. It all started because I pulled that out of the safe. Honestly, that doesn't even belong in the safe. So, yeah. Last thing I got to say, and I'm going to say it. You know what I'm going to say. Make sure and stay hydrated, guys. Go out, drink your water, take your guns, even your high points, go train with them. Go have fun. Bring a friend along that's not a gun guy. Maybe you can convert them and be safe out there, guys. Anyway, that's it for this one, and I'll catch you on the next one.